Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in the amazing Nashville studios today. And it's time for another winner because every other week or so, we give away something really exciting whenever you add a sticker to your order. It's pretty simple. So you add a sticker, you get entered into the contest, and then here we are going to pick one today. And we put all the names of people who've entered into this little randomizer that we got off of Google. And we're going to push a button and we're going to find who the winner is. But first, let me remind you, we have some other exciting contests or sweepstakes underway right now. Here's one that's really, really exciting. And here's another one that's really, really exciting. So these are active and they're coming up. And another thing that's active and coming up is our open house on May 30th. Here at the GlockStore, we are giving away over $50,000 worth of merchandise thanks to all of our vendors. And this is a great time. You come down, you get to shoot, you get to see a whole bunch of different vendors who are displaying some of the things they have. And we're giving away a whole bunch of stuff too. So we hope that you can make the open house. Now let's get back to our winner. We will go ahead and push the magic button and come up with a sales order number that's associated with someone, and the sales order number for this contest is SO2464667. That could be you.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Harris. My name is Dan Jones from the GlockStore. How are you today?
I'm good. Sorry about missing your call. I was mowing the lawn.
Anyway, I'm calling you because we're going through our records looking for like duplicate orders and stuff, and we noticed you purchased 4 Hunter Green G45 stickers.
Yeah.
Did you mean to purchase 4 of those?
Yes, sir.
Did you also know that those were like an entry into a contest we were having?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm here to tell you that one of those stickers made you a winner.
No shit.
So have you ever won anything before?
I got a free riding lawnmower yesterday, so I won that.
I'd go play the lottery if I were you.
I might go to Publix today and buy a lotto ticket.
And so what made you decide that you were going to enter the contest?
Yeah, being as rare as they are, I definitely wanted to try to throw my hat in the ring for one.
We congratulate you and thank you for being a GlockStore customer.
I appreciate y'all. I could actually tell my wife I want a gun and not lie.
If you want to know more about the current sweepstakes and this particular sticker, check out this video coming up. Okay, let's take a closer look at this MK27 Mod 2, which is officially the handgun issued to our special ops, the SOCOM official gun, which is Special Operations Command, by the way, SOCOM. Okay, so basically a little history about this. First of all, these are built on a Gen 4 platform, Gen 419. And the Gen 419s, of course, are discontinued here in the States. And they were always kind of rare with the MOS. So there's some rarity there. And even more rare with a left-handed threaded barrel, which this comes with. So this gun in its form is very unique in the sense that you can't find them here in the States. And we saw them overseas, and we were able to import them as a special purchase. But the bottom line is that this is a rare gun. It's got some really unique features, and of course, with the suppressor, it looks pretty cool. But it is, as I said, as it stands right here, this is the gun that the Special Forces requested, even though they had the Beretta contract. Everybody said, we really want a more reliable gun, and especially for the Special Forces. So they really conspired with everybody to push the Glock 19 concept through because, again, Beretta won the military contract, even though Glock won the military trials. There's a lot of politics involved there, and Glock did not get the big contract, but the guys who shoot a bunch, the Special Forces guys, demanded the Glock 19, and this is basically what they got. It's a Glock 19 Gen 4. They call it the MK27, as I said earlier, but it comes with some unique things, and one of them is unique in my mind. They actually come up with this coyote-colored RMR, and it's really interesting why they wanted that versus black, but they did. It's got this suppressor height sights, so you can co-witness through the glass, and even over the suppressor. It does come to the Special Forces with the light. Okay, the light was part of the program, and this is the X300, the Surefire X300. It's got extended controls, and the left-handed barrel is very interesting as well. So it's a left-handed thread. So remember, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Well, it's opposite here. It's actually righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So you actually, when you thread this on, if you're, looking at the thing, you're actually unscrewing it a different way. That's a little bit something to get used to, but there's a reason the left-handed thread barrel is very important. And what happens as the gun is shot and the bullet is traveling down the bore, the lands or the rifling in the bore actually twists to the right. So with a standard suppressor, a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey type, the action of the round going down through the bore has a tendency to loosen the threads. The exact opposite is true with the left-handed thread barrel. So as you shoot, it actually tightens it down even further because of the just the vibration and the motion of the bullet going down the bore. That's pretty interesting. Now, how practical that is in play, I don't really know because I've never seen one of these come loose. But it's something to actually keep in mind. We always tell people when they're shooting in the range, just to make sure that suppressor is tight, even between magazines. And you don't want to touch it when it's hot. so they actually sell a glove that allows you to get on there and tighten that thing up. So this is a very unique gun. It's been imported. It's got the European markings on it. It is definitely something that you're not going to find anywhere else. And like I said, as it sits here, this is as close to the SOCOM Mark 27, MK27 that you're actually going to see anywhere. Because it's got matching serial numbers for the barrel and the frame and the slide. Everything is all perfect. And it's something that we felt was, we just couldn't pass up because they're so unique. Now, the suppressor is not included, as you might expect, but it's ready for a suppressor, and there are a variety of different suppressors that work. This is, of course, the Omega 9, and it's from Silencer Co., and it's nice. So, if you're looking for something unique, something that no one else ever has, and something that there won't be a whole lot of in the future, this is it. This is the MK27 by Glock. And we do have a contest going on. Anytime you buy a sticker, you get entered to win. So you could be a winner. All you have to do is add a sticker to your next order, and good things can happen. Thanks for watching. I'm Lenny McGill, and we'll see you next time.